Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this bedding set I just got. This is a sheet set of 6. You get a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 4 pillowcases. I absolutely love that the set comes with 4 pillowcases because most of them only come with 2. So already I love it for that reason. I did get this in the khaki color and I think it is so great. The 4 pillowcases are so beautiful. They have this pleated design at the end, so it adds just a touch of texture and interest. And the flat sheet has that same beautiful pleated design as well. And then the fitted sheet does have some super elastic band around the entire sheet. So it's going to be super easy to get on and off, and it should stay in place really well. I did get this in a queen size, and I have a queen mattress. However, I do have a mattress topper. So we're gonna see how well this fits. It is supposed to have quite a deep pocket, so it should accommodate it really well, but we're going to test it out. And now this bed set is incredibly soft. It's also supposed to be cooling, which is incredibly important to me because I get super hot at night. So the fitted sheet is the perfect size. Even with my thick mattress topper, it still covers the bottom quite well. This is absolutely one of my favorite bedding sheet sets that I've had. I've experienced a lot that were just crazy uncomfortable. This material is so soft and it definitely feels very breathable. Straight out of the packaging, it hardly had any wrinkling to it. It is supposed to be a wrinkle-resistant material, so I was super impressed by that. There was no bad smell to it, no odor. It is just absolutely lovely. It's sleek and simple, and I love the comfort that it's going to provide. I definitely see my toddler enjoying this because he does sleep in the bed with us, and I think that myself and my husband will certainly enjoy it and the cooling effects that it will bring. So if you were looking for some new bed sheets and pillowcases, look no further. This is an amazing choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope that you guys love it as much as I do.